Hello, so in this video we're going to be looking at the subscription product settings. So just down here we can see the membership type and we've got subscription selected. And you can see here options for trial, subscription and installments. So basically when the trial is set at a zero price, that means it's a free trial, and if it's on 0 days that means the trial is actually ignored, so it goes straight to the subscription. They won't be billed until the period here is set. And if you set a price for the trial, obviously that price will be in action, and then after that period they'll be actually billed properly. With the subscription settings you can set the price here and you set the duration, and then below that is the setting for installments. So if it's on 0, which is the default, it's going to bill them forever basically until they cancel. If you set a number of installments, for example if you put 4 there, it's going to bill them 4 times and then obviously stop billing them. Below that are the cancellation options, so that basically when this product is purchased you can cancel another subscription product. The product that you select will be cancelled when this product is purchased. Just below that is a bundle, so basically if you select bundle, then when they purchase this product that you're setting here, they'll get access to any of the other products that you add. So that can be useful for bonuses and other advanced configurations that you may want to set up with different products. Just below this is the member role, so that basically when they purchase the product, this is the role that they'll be assigned, so you can select from any of your WordPress site roles. This is in a more advanced feature, and generally you don't need to set this setting, so you can just leave that as subscriber. So now we've got a basic overview of the subscription settings. Let's have a look at the sales page where the subscription payment form is added. So you can see here there's a form at the side, so this page layout can be changed, but basically at the minute there's a form at the side here, and we've got the Stripe plugin installed. And we've got PayPal activated, so that basically they can fill out the form entering their credit card details, and when they check the box they'll be able to basically purchase this product. Now this can be edited using the block editor, so let's just edit this block. You can see here, you can see the form, what it looks like when they first visit your site. So if we press next we get a preview of the next step. So obviously this is a preview of the form, so it's not perfect formatting. So what we'll look at here is the actual settings. So here we can actually select the product, and we can add multiple products to this form, so we can add one or more products, so they could choose from a subscription or a single product. And then below that will be the card form, and then below that are the terms. You can choose to disable the terms, and then below this you can actually choose to disable the PayPal button. So if you only wanted a credit card form with no terms on and 2 products, then this was what it would look like. Here you can change the payment button text, so you can change it to order now if you want, and you can change the color of the payment button. Once you're happy with how that form looks, you can just update it. And then if we view the page again, you can see how the form's changed, and you can obviously select from 2 different products, and you've got no PayPal option on there. So let's just go back and put the form back to how it was. Okay, so that's now kind of the default. I've just left the order text as what it was. And let's go review the page again. So you can see here, it's back to a single product, and they enter the card and they check the terms, and then they can purchase. And then once they've purchased, they'll be taken to the thank you page that's set in the product. So let's go back to the product, and you can see here we've got the thank you page, which is actually an upsell for the single product. So if we preview that page, it's actually pretty much the same layout, so you've got a different product here, and we can obviously edit the form for this product as well. So in another video we'll actually go into more detail on the single product settings.